Yeah, I don't know if park crew's working today because everything is just potatoes. Oh. I can tell I'm landing at the top of the knuckles where I don't want to be.
Yeah.
Grandma's gonna be so happy and proud of me.
Bro, that was sick. Like,
oh,
off the side. Like, yeah.
Copper Mountain closing day. What a season. Copper has crushed it all year. They've had such a fun park, such a progressive park. I feel like I learned a lot of tricks and just got more confident on my snowboard ripping Copper. So Copper, thank you for not shrinking parks because of COVID, not backing down from the sport, even though like competitive riding is kind of feel like it's dwindling down a little bit. It's not as big as it was. Like, I don't know, Copper's pushing the limits. Copper, Woodward in general is just pushing snowboarding and allowing people to still be able to like chase their dreams and rip park and stuff like that. So I'm hyped on that, so I appreciate it. And with that, a dream today would be to land a backside 1080. Now, we got a really scrubby backside 9 yesterday. If you missed yesterday's video, check it out. It's a super sick one. We were charging the park. Goal is to do it again today. Same crew today, Cody and Dylan. I'm really excited. The vibe yesterday was high. My body's a little sore because I almost died yesterday. Check this clip out. I almost died. I almost hit my face on that rail. That was gnarly. But no face slamming today. And hopefully the vibe is there and the trick is there. If the trick's not there, we're not going to throw it, obviously. It's a big trick, backside 1080. We got it. I want to see if the speed is right on jump 2. It wasn't right yesterday, but hopefully today it is right. And how can jump to 1080? Hopefully we can get it. All right, enough talking. Let's go snowboard. Oh! I told Dylan I'd get him a Gatorade yesterday, and then they weren't selling any in the village, so I brought him one from home, and he caught it off the chairlift. I told you I'd get you a Gatorade. What up? What up? Or it's Alex and Andrew, right? Yeah. Guys, the speed there is there on 2. Maybe because it's so windy, it's just pushing me further. But hopefully we can start spinning 2. It's scarier to spin 2 than 1. Tripods always look like a good idea until you do it, and then you get soaking wet, and then it's not a good idea. Hi guys, shout out to Andrew and Alex's mother. She brought us Gatorades today, so we rode with them a couple days ago, a week ago, whatever.
Yep, something like that.
Yeah, and dude, I need a mom to like just snowboard behind me with Gatorades and stuff. This is sick.
Yeah.
You guys having a sick day?
Oh heck yeah, you know it.
Oh, it's so sick so far.
Yeah.
We just gotta take a second, dude. Warmest merch in the Come on, guys.
Come on.
If you can't tell, it's super windy today, so we'll keep the chairlift talks to a minimum. I don't know where or when we'll talk, but we can't be... You can't even hear me right now.
I'm sorry, dog.
You're good. Filmer rider collisions happen, and if they don't happen, you're not doing it right. Which means you're doing it right. Oh my gosh. No, what'd you do, Cody? We left you down here for one run.
I invited all my friends.
To be expected though on closing day, best park in Summit County. It's gonna get a little busy. We're at the point of a day where we're hitting a crossroad, slowing down tremendously, and it's taking 20 to 30 minutes to get a lap. So you're not as fresh when you show up, and it's enough time in the day for the speed to change from the last time you were here. Oh.
It got really super duper slow.
See, I didn't even talk to him. He just said it got super duper slow. So we're gonna try and speed the lap up so we're not like super just standing in a line for 30 minutes. We're gonna go to the flyer, which is like the big bubble chairlift. It's long, but it's better than the Woodward Express. Here we go. What a mess. Oh, don't do it. You're gonna get so wet.
Where I go?
Oh.
Fast and you keep your tip.
So we can do a stick. So we threw the bubble down because it's actually extremely windy today. It was nice because it was kind of helping you with speed on the jumps, but it's up there on the windiest days of the season, I think. The only downside of the bubble is it makes me kind of blue. But you know what doesn't make me blue? Today's sticker shout out. We got Neverlandin' with the white sticker on the, I think that's an air compressor. Looking sick, man. I love when you guys throw the sticker sometimes. It's incredible. And we also got D-Dub Snow 21 with the electric sticker on the snowboard. Looking insane, looking sick. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. If you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, let's throw them over your face. Ready? Hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description if you do snag in the merch. Tag me on my Instagram, we'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. Also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. I've said that so many times this year, it's like, I don't even have to think about it. But if you're not following my Instagram, you're missing out on some bonus extra content, right?
Yep.
Right?
No question.
Okay, no question about it. All right, here we go. What'd you say last time? You were like, I think, right?
Yeah.
I was like, it's sick to snowboard Johnathan, right? And you're like, yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so
You were like, not, you weren't sure.
You have to go to the snowboard camp. It's pretty much what's going on right now.
Oh yeah, snowboard camp. What's up? Pitch it.
The snowboard camp is in Oregon. It's two weeks long, and you just head up. Johnathan pays for your food. Your do you pay for where they stay?
Oh, I pay for the stay, yeah.
Stay, everything.
Lift tickets, all of it. It's all inclusive snowboard camp. Link to the description. 2 weeks in June. Timberline, Mount Hood. Sign up for camp. Good job, buddy.
Ooh, thanks.
Double plug. Stickers and camp. All right, enough talking. Back to the shredding. That lift line was way better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that question.
This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ball point, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on to put my mans on.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh! Dude, the squad is fun today.
Oh, that was heavy.
They've been throwing snowballs at me all day. That was like 6 snowballs.
Oh my gosh, dude, that was so bad.
This puddle is getting bigger and bigger. That's horrible. Oh my. Let's take a second and appreciate the crew. It's deep.
We're Chicago style deep.
Chicago style deep. They're trying to build rivers to drain the water. I don't know if that's really gonna work. The conditions are going to pure potato, so this one's gonna be chipmunk.
Oh my god.
Here's the option. I either do this 270 off this double rainbow, or I don't. And if I do it, I'm cool and I can post on Instagram. If I don't, my grandma doesn't get to see it and I suck at snowboarding. That's the, what's that thing?
I just got real.
Hey!
Post it on Instagram.
Woo! Grandma's gonna be so happy and proud of me.
Bro, that was sick. Like,
Oh,
stand
off
up on
the
side.
oh,
Like, yeah.
Let's go. Thanks, man.
That was sick.
Hey. Oh! Brock, no! What was that? I got scared. What is happening?
Oh no. I died.
Everybody's sucking. Alright guys, this is the last hit at Copper, and it's one of the rails that's got thrashed the most. But Copper, what a sick season. I appreciate you guys building such a sick park. Yeah. Alright guys, I should have said this earlier in the video, but today wouldn't have been possible without Dylan. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel, it's linked in the description. And I said this last video, make sure you comment on his last video and blow him up, Team Buckhouse, whatever. Make him have to turn off his notifications on his phone. And just show him some love, because he crushed it filming the last 2 days of Copper. He gave up him doing tricks and stuff, so you guys could have sick videos. So we really appreciate people like Dylan. You the man, dude. Cody! We might go ride Breck tomorrow. So you guys will see his face again. Also at summer camp. So sign up for camp if you want to see his beautiful face in person. Thanks for shredding with me today.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Thanks for
You guys made my day.
Yeah, you made ours.
Oh, we gotta hit the puddle. Dude, that line is still so long. Just said bye to the homies. I do think the pivot of the day from like me charging to like kind of like, yeah, let's just hang out with the boys, have a good mob. I think that was the move. Got to throw some backflips, got the 2-7 off the rainbow. I still got some cool fun tricks in Peace Park, and just had a good last day of copper. Like, don't be afraid to pivot your decision. And like I said, I think Breck's Park is still open, so we can maybe try to hook the tent at Breck. And then we are going to Timberline. I'm hosting camp, but I'll be riding like 2 days before camp, getting like settled in. So I'll see how their jumps are, and so I can coach everybody on the jumps. And then also, I'm probably gonna have to leave immediately after, but we're gonna get the summer season pass for Timberline. So maybe I'll make another trip out after the baby's here and we're all settled in and stuff. If you didn't know, I'm having a second child, a little baby girl. So stoked. She's coming in July. It's a freaking party out here, which is sick. It's closing day. You should be partying. So just because copper season is over doesn't mean my season's over. I'm still be making a bunch of videos for you guys. We have over 30 more days of Breckenridge that we can ride, and A Basin, possibly like 40, 50 days of A Basin. Depends on how late they're gonna stay open this season. And then once again, we're going to Timberline when we make snowboard content. And then I'm gonna go to Liberty Snowflex, I hope, and Big Snow in New Jersey. Because I say I hope because obviously I'm having another baby. I have to make sure my wife is supported and comfortable before I just like travel and do all this crazy stuff like I was doing this last season. But those are the plans with the trips. The wife knows that's kind of the plan. We're gonna keep making you guys sick snowboard content all summer long. There's places in Colorado that you can snowboard year round, and I'm gonna show you guys those places. So I'm really excited for you guys to just still see what I'm gonna do. And also I'm gonna get into mountain biking and wakeboarding this summer. So if you are into those sports too, hang around. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you wanna see that stuff. I'm really, really excited for to bring you guys some content. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, just smash that like button. It helps the video, helps other people find the video. So if you want more people to see this content, just smash like, do the whole algorithm stuff. I mean, every YouTuber you watch talks about it, but it is appreciated, especially in the time when like views die down, things like that. But people aren't snowboarding. They're probably like everyone on the East Coast is probably on the beach right now. So just it's the nature of the business. But hopefully with like mountain bike content and stuff, we can pick those views back up. But enough rambling. I'm still hyped on yesterday getting that back 9. I'm hyped on today throwing the back 7 on that jump 2, which is a pretty big jump, and it throws you really high in the air, and just getting overall more comfortable with jumps. And I think Breck has their jumps up, but if this was my last day of big jumps until I get to Timberline, like I'm really proud of the progression I made on jumps this season, even though it's hard for you guys to see or notice it, but like my grabbing while rotating and my front side rotations this season, and like overall my confidence on jumps has gone through the roof this season. So I'm really, really stoked and just thankful I got to put this much time in on jumps this year. All right, enough talking, Team Buckhouse. Thank you so much for sharing with me today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because we're the only snowboard channel posting daily.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody.
1, 2, 3, 4.